Guys, itong bangka ng mga pinsan ko rito sa bukid. My cousin boat here in the farm. This is their service here to catch fish, to use cross the river. But the problem is now there's a hole, many hole. I think it's 3 or 2 holes. That's why you cannot ride here many people, only 2 or 3 people only, because the water too fast come inside because of the hole, and it becomes sink if it's many people ride in it. That's why my cousin, that is one of their problem now. They need to fix it. So that's it. This is their life here in the farm. Yan, kung nakikita nyo guys, marami din silang alagang manok, chicken, and duck here. So if they want to eat meat, they catch one of them, baby or chicken, to eat. So that's it. That is their life here in the farm. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, ayan ulit si Pijong, oh. Papandaw na siya ng mga panti niya ulit. Titingnan ko may isda na. Kailangan niyang tanggalan ng tubig yung bangka. Ayan na po siya ulit. Pijong, try again to see if the fish net have catch fish. And I hope and I pray that it will have. So there he is. Ayan, again the boat as a service. You can see guys, every time he needs to remove the water there inside, because the water is really fast coming inside because of the hole. The hole is too big already. Ayun na, magpapandaw na si Pijong, mga kabagis, ng aming pante. Ano yan? Pamingwit? So, ayan, kung makikita nyo guys, ayan si Pijong, kakarasin na naman niya yung kanyang water inside the boat. He remove again the water inside the boat. Inside his boat, I mean. So, okay, that's why I want to help him to fix that. Tingin mo, meron? May gumagalaw? Oh, walang laman. Sorry. Sorry. No fish. Maybe to the other, pante. They call that pante. Fish net. Lang papain ko dyan eh. Abo natin ang anak mo. Ayan guys, if you see Pijong still there again, he removed again the water coming inside on his boat. So maybe I will ask him later what is better to buy that he need to fix the hole. Bakit kung kailan nandito ako, walang isda? Bakit kailan nandito ako, no fish? O, pangalawa na yan. Tingnan natin sa iba. Sana dito kahit pa paano meron. Awa naman yung bangka namin, mga kabagis. Butas na kasi. Pero pinagtsatsagaan pa rin, nakakatulong pa rin. Yan, sa mga may mga ganito ang puso, baka naman po pwede niyong tulungan si Pijong para magawa yung kanyang bangka. Matakpan yung butas. So all have a gold heart. Want to help Pijong to fix his boat. Because he used this here in the farm and here in the river to catch a fish. Like that. Like this. Hope we have a fish catch. Meron? Oh. Wow. Really no fish now. But sometimes there's so many. There's a day that there's so many fish. But now already a fish net. Look, no fish. No fish inside. Okay, better luck next time daw, Pijong. Wala na. See guys, oh. Lagi yung kinakarasan, binabawasan ng water kasi the water going inside already because there's a 2 hole. Big. It's getting big now, the hole. That's why if he use this, he need to remove the water coming inside because if he don't remove it, maybe the boat will sink. The boat sink. Oh, it's raining now. Oh, it's raining na. You put vulcanize. Vulcasil muna. May vulcasil ka dyan? O, vulcasilan mo muna pansamantala. Guys, it's raining na. Oh yeah, it's raining na. Mukhang lalakas ng ulan. So, come on guys, it's raining. Let's go inside. Mga kabagis, pahinga muna kami dito sa duyan, dito sa loob ng kubo kasi it's raining outside. Later on, we go out in the farm to get the snails.
Oh, kapag lumalim, sigurado may huli. Ano pa yung kakabidyo kung gano'n naman malakas? Sana mo nang kaya na kung malami sa kaso.
Okay, yan. Guys, we have chicken wings here. Chicken wings. So, yan, magluluto kami. I will cook it as adobo. Chicken adobo. Ayan. And there's garlic, ginger, and onion. Okay. Okay, guys, this is our lunch. Chicken wings. Adobo chicken wings.
Tapos sinigil si Lisa. Sa Norland. Yung mga anak niya. Dahil binigay doon eh. Siyempre, ba't ka lang naman kasi marami ni Orlan yung sabi. Tapos si Jojo. Sito. Ay, si Sito nung nakita doon pinakamalaki. Nung tinambang daw ni Sito yung pinakamalaking ganang kalaki, apat na
Yan, magluluto na. Hindi, kahit kung na ako pakita. Panik ko. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Yan, magluluto na ako ng chicken adobo. Yan na dito sa bukid. Ito pong aming lutuan, double burner. Yan, itong buhay namin dito sa bukid. Ito, lagyan natin ng konting mantika, oil, ayan. Ito na ang bawang, sibuyas, ano yan? Garlic. Luya. Oh, sibuyang garlic. Garlic pala, bawang na yun. Ginger. Buhay sa bukid, guys. Simple pero masaya. Basta masipag ka lang dito sa bukid, mabubuhay ka. Kailan kami bumili kami ng we buy chicken in the town before come here. We have a chicken also here, but I want is for chicken wings. I love chicken. Part of chicken I love, and my granddaughter wings part. Okay, chicken adobo. Chicken wings adobo pala. Lagyan natin chicken wings. Galing-galing. That is our burner here. Farm in the house here. Pero mag-English guys, pasensya na kayo. Hindi natin mag-brown ng make it little brown before we put our soy sauce. Ito lang. Soy sauce. Init na apoy. Parang Papaya is strong. Nako, paminta Wait. Guys Uy. more. Yan, lagyan natin ng suka, mga kabagis. Lagyan ko ng siling labo para medyo spicy. Ayun lang. Tananan! Okay na guys, nagpapatutuyo na lang ng konti. Yummy. Alright, get adult using in the house in the farm. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Let's eat chicken adobo wings. Wings.